Judge A just denied every single motion that Elaine and Amber filed. Denied. Amber Heard has 2 legs to stand on. In the document, Judge A says that she pulled the juror summons and it only had the name and the address on it for the juror. So juror number 15 that came in then filled out a questionnaire and he was truthful. He filled out his name and his proper date of birth. She also says that each party had a full day to vet these jurors and they chose the jurors accurately based off of the questions that they had to ask. And you let this juror be on the panel, Elaine, so you can't say that the juror is improper, Elaine. I'm having a pool day with the kids, so I can't really make a proper video. But basically, she cites the statute saying that if there's any error ever with the jury panel, there's already a statute saying that it's the party's responsibility to verify them. She ends it by saying, you vetted these jurors. This juror, number 15, sat on the panel, listened to the trial. They deliberated, and they came to a verdict. You can't be mad about it now. So, Judge A brought it home with a denial, and I'm so excited. On Twitter, the DUI guy says that Amber Heard has 11 days left to appeal and she has to post a bond of almost $11 million. So in the end, no errors were made. All of Amber's motions are denied. We don't have to be worried about anything anymore. And any other updates, I'm sure going to let you know. So give me a follow.
Judge Penny has denied Amber Heard's motion for a mistrial based on juror number 15. She found that 1, the juror summons did not have a birth date on it, and when juror number 15 showed up in court and filled out his jury questionnaire, he put his correct birth date on there. That means that there was no fraud on the court, it was just a mistake. She points out how under Virginia law, any mistakes are meant to be verified by the parties and are not ground for mistrial. She also said that the time to object on this was long past, the mistake was apparent during the trial, and you can't just kind of bring this objection now that the verdict has come against you. She also said that even with all those other things, if those weren't true, there was no prejudice because both parties had a chance to vet and essentially accept this juror. So all the legal arguments that we thought, Judge Penny agreed and ruled on today.
Elaine Breedoff, attorney at law.
With my fucking retrial.
Good afternoon, Amber. It ain't good news, darling.
You said I fucking win.
They refused our post-trial motion to dismiss the verdict.
Hick bastards.
Yeah. They're saying we should have known that, though. Juror 15 was 150-year-old.
How the fuck we gonna know that?
That's what I said. It's okay, though. I'm writing up another post-trial motion.
Fucking better be.
I'm halfway through.
You better start typing, Elaine.
You want... Sure. Okay. You stay there and I'll finish off. In the case of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp, we know who it is.
Scissor finger bastard.
It's my trial motion to dismiss and set aside the complaint and to dismiss the verdict so that Amber don't gotta pay, which is what we want.
Damn right, fucking TJ Maxx.
In this motion to dismiss, we move the court to set aside based on the breach of my client's due process. And if due process ain't served, you gotta throw that out, judge. You gotta throw that thing so far out we can't even see it no more.
I'm right.
Saying that this is a breach of due process because on the certificate of service, it's signed Johnny Depp.
Scissor finger bastard.
Everyone knows Johnny Depp got scissors for fingers. If he got scissors for fingers, he ain't got no hands. And if he ain't got no hands, I'm gonna sign the certificate of service. Yes, ma'am. That there's a breach of due process. Signed respectfully, Elaine Breedoff. What you think, darling? I think we might win this one.
As expected, because the judge in the Depp v. Heard trial is a boss, she just denied all of Amber Heard's post-trial motions. There is not a mistrial because of juror number 15. This surely won't be the last of Amber Heard. Stay tuned.
When you try and spread positive vibes.
Hope your day gets better.
Shut the fuck up!
It Amber Heard just got shot down by the judge. Just says, sorry, no jury fraud here. Amber Heard's last-ditch effort has failed. And now that she has a book that's paying $15 million, she could go ahead and pay all of her debts. I mean, when even Mickey Rourke is calling you a gold digger, that means you are.
It was him.
You guys have been so wonderful and so supportive in the comments, and my most sincere thank you for that. I really appreciate it. So many of you guys have asked me to keep going, so here we are. I did want to mention my Patreon. Check that out if you're interested on patreon.com/Real Housewives Recaps. I break down funny shows like Always Sunny. I'm doing Sex in the City, behind the scenes information, and like episode by episode recap. Lots of stuff going on. Check that out. Thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best. If you want to further support the channel, I do have a second channel. It's just called RHR. I'm trying to get it off the ground. You can find it on my main page. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll see, check out my second channel. You'll see the link there. So thanks so much for being here and for all the wonderful comments. I do read them and I appreciate you all. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.